So good afternoon all of you. Welcome back to the online math class. Previous day we have done up to question number 6 of 13.1. Exercise number 13.1 we have done up to question number 6, isn't it? Please respond who are doing the previous class. (13.1) is going. Last day we have done up to question number 6. Please give your response. I am waiting for your response. Yes, good afternoon. And one thing to say again, at the end of the class, you just type your name and write P for taking your attendance. At the end of the class, not at the beginning of the class. Okay. At the end of the class, you just type your name and P for taking your attendance. So we have done up to question number 6, isn't it? Isn't it? Of 13.1, surface area and volume. Give your response. Okay. So can I start today's class? Can I start today's class? Okay, so let's begin with question number 7. Just go through the problem. This is a long problem. Just go through it. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. Okay. If the height and the diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively, that means height of the cylindrical part, that means this one, this portion, that is 2.1 meter, height of cylindrical part. Question number 7, height, that is h of cylindrical part, or you may say cylinder, that is 2.1 meter, and the diameter that is 4 meter. Yes, we will start from 7. Yes, diameter 4. So the radius, this portion 2 meter, radius arc of cylinder, that is 2 meter. Okay. And the slant height of the top, this means this portion, slant height of the top, that means the cone, that is L is given 2.8 meter. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. Note that the base of the tent will not be covered by the canvas. Okay, base will not be covered by the canvas. Okay, so these are the given things. Now here slant height L, slant height L of conical portion, that is 2.8 meter. Okay. Now tell me the surface area of the tent. Tell me surface area of the tent. Surface area of the tent. Surface area of tent. That means, tell me CSA of yes. So CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder. Okay, that means it will be pi RL plus 2 pi RH. Here R will be same. So radius of cylinder and you may write here cone. Both are same, isn't it? The radius of the cylinder and cone are same from the figure. Yes. So R will be same. So you may write here radius of cylinder and cone. So pi RL plus 2 pi RH. You may take common here pi R. So pi R into in the bracket L plus 2H. Now put the values here. Put the values. Put the values here. That means 22 by 7 into R means 2, then in the bracket L means 2.8 plus 2H. 2H means 4.2 meters square. Okay, isn't it? So it will be 22 by 7 into 2 into this will give you 4.2 plus 2.8, that means it will be 7 will be cancel out. So 44 meters square, isn't it? Yes, 44 meters square. Very good. Respond, all of you who are doing the class, respond and just do it in your copy also. Do it in your copy. So the first part done. Area of the canvas used for making the tent, that is done. Okay. So just write the answer. Therefore, area of canvas used for making the tent that is 44 meters square. Now the second portion. Also find the cost of the canvas of tent at the rate rupees 500 per meter square. Therefore, cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate rupees 500 per meter square equals to 44 into 500 rupees. So rupees 22,000, isn't it? Rupees, it will be rupees 22,000. Is it all right? Respond, all of you who are doing the class. Respond, all of you who are doing the class. All right. Can I move on to the next one? That is question number 8. Can I move on to the next one? 3 or 4 students are responding. Where are the rest of the students? Okay, so move on to question number 8. Question number 8. Go through it. from a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 meter and diameter 1.4 centimeter, height 2.4 centimeter, solid cylinder of height 2.4 centimeter, height 2.4 centimeter, diameter 1.4, that is 0.7, radius 0.7 centimeter, height of cylinder, that is 2.4 centimeter, radius of cylinder, that is 0.7 centimeter. Now, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out, that means cut out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. Very important one. So, here this type of portion is cut out of same height and same diameter. Okay. So, height and radius will be same for cylinder and cone, isn't it? Isn't it? So, you may write here height of cylinder and cone, both radius of cylinder and cone. Okay. Now, you have to find first of all the slant height, and what will be the formula of the, that is find total surface area of the solid. What will be the formula? Total surface area of the solid. Can anyone tell me? We have to first find the L, the slant height. First of all, find the slant height L, that is root over a square plus r square, that is root over 2.4 whole square plus 0.7 whole square centimeter. First of all, tell me the slant height, then tell me the formula. Then tell me the formula. Slant height (576 plus 49 by 100), that is root over 625 by 100, that is 25 by 10, 5 by 2, 5 by 2, or you may say 2.5, isn't it? 5 by 2 or 2.5? 5 by 2, or you may say 2.5. Now tell me, I am erasing this portion. So, slant height, that is this one, that is 2.5 centimeter. Okay. Now tell me TSA. TSA, total surface area of remaining solid. Tell me the CSA of the cylinder, the CSA of the cone, and with this the upper portion is cut out. So, the lower portion will be remaining here. Here, whenever the cone, this cone is cut out, the lower base, the circle will be remaining here. So, not only cylinder plus cone, very important one, very important question this is. 5 by 2, 5.5, 2.5. Ishanur, 5 by 2, 2.5. Yes. So now the TSA, tell me, that means here it will be pi RL plus 2 pi RH plus pi R square. Also one circle, the lower base. Yes, tell me step by step. Yes, Srijan, I got your answer, but tell me first of all step by step. TSA, cylinder plus cone plus the yes, tell me step by step first of all. Can you hear me? Sijan, can you hear me? Tell me step by step, not that the answer. This is very important. The CSA of the cylinder, the CSA of the cone, and the lower surface, that means the circle. The circle will also be added. That means pi R square. Okay? Got it? Yes, do the correction. Now taking common here, pi R. So pi R, whenever pi R is common, taken common here, within the bracket L plus 2H plus R. Okay. Now put the values here. 22 by 7 into R means 0.7, so 7 by 10 within the bracket. L means 2.5 plus 2H means 4.8 plus R means again 0.7 centimeter square. Here 7 will be cancelled out. So 22 by 10 into just do the addition here. It will give you 7. So it will be 22 into 7 by 10. $15.4. Do it correctly. It is 7 or 8. The value. It will be 8, 8.08. It will give you 8. So 22 into 8. Do it correctly, the calculation portion. 22 by 10 into 8. So it will be 176 by 10. That means 17.6 centimeter square. 17.6. Isn't it? Isn't it? You just do it in your copy. Who are giving the answer, just do it in your copy and check the answer. I am waiting, do it in your copy. So, nearest centimeter square. So, it will be approximately 18 centimeter square. Whenever doing the rounding, yes, Chetna, 18 centimeter square. But first of all, you have to write here 17.6 centimeter square. Then approximately after doing the rounding off, it will be 18 centimeter square. Any question, any queries regarding this one? Any question, any queries? Any question? Okay, moving on to the question number 9. The figure is given. Go through the problem. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of the solid cylinder. Okay, it is scooping out from both ends. As shown in the figure 13.11, if the height of the cylinder, height of the cylinder, that is 10 centimeter, height of cylinder, that is 10 centimeter, and base radius 3.5 centimeter, base radius of actually the hemisphere and the cylinder, base radius. So radius, you may write radius, simply radius of cylinder and hemisphere. That is 3.5 centimeter. TSA of the article, TSA of article, tell me part wise TSA, tell me part wise the TSA. The TSA of the cylinder with that CSA of cylinder, CSA of hemisphere, 2 CSA, twice CSA, not only once, here and here also, both the ends are scooping out here. Subhajyoti, 2 into, so it will be 2 pi RH plus 2 into 2 pi r square, isn't it? Isn't it? CS of hemisphere, CS of cylinder plus not the 2 into CS of hemisphere. That means it will make a one pair actually, isn't it? Okay, now do the calculation. Do the calculation. Do the calculation. I am waiting. Do the calculation by yourself. I am waiting. Do the calculation. First of all, taking common 2 pi, r also taken common, 2 pi r, it will be h plus 2 into 1 2 is taken common, so 2 2r. Put the value 2 into 22 by 7 into r means 3.5, so 35 by 10 within the bracket. H means 10 plus 2r means 7 centimeter square. Okay, 7 5s are 35, 2 5s are 10, 5 is cancelled out. So 22 into 17, 374 centimeter square, isn't it? 374. Is it all right? This is the important thing, 2 into 2 pi r square. The CSA of 2m square will be added with the CSA of the cylinder. Is it all right? 13.1 is completed. Next day we will start from 13.2. Any queries, anything to know after this one? So okay students, that's all for today. We will be back again here with a new class and we will solve from 13.2. And just before ending the class, I am telling you once again, just type your name and write P for taking your attendance. Thank you all of you. Goodbye.